Welcome back. It is time to give away some cool t-shirts. I generally model them here on the Mechanical Room. This is what we send out to the Show Us Your Pipe winners each month. That and some hats and some swag and Michael Sakaris autographed 8x10s. But let's so, that's right. They are only appreciating every single day. The winner this month is Aalanco Service Corporation. Congratulations to those guys. They're out of Westboro, Massachusetts. Their winning post, posted by Daniel Bandanza, who is a senior project manager for Aalanco, is really a nice looking installation. We're obviously showing some of these for those of us who are watching on YouTube. You can see what's going on in this Mechanical Room, and it's pretty intense. It's really nice HTP products here. I mean, they got those nice intake stickers on there, and everything's clearly defined. There's a lot of crisscrossing pipe stuff that's all like neatly done. And just a quick shout out to the location. It's at the Mill Pond Senior Living Center in Taunton, Massachusetts. And the Corcoran Management Group is the property management for their senior living facility, and also New Ecology. An organization that is a community-based sustainable development organization, a nonprofit with a mission to address global environmental equity issues by making the built environment more efficient, healthy, durable, and resilient, was involved with this too. I did reach out to Daniel, but I wasn't able to connect with him in time. I'd love to hear a little bit more about New Ecology. So if anybody's out there who knows anything about that, please get in touch with us. It's fascinating. It's a really nice installation with a great termination. Michael, what are your thoughts on this beautiful HTP?
Well, number one, the thing I always joke with you about, there is no diamond plate in this one. So I'm very impressed that we picked something without diamond plate.
True. They're freestanding in the middle of the room. So, I mean, they would have to build something uniquely. You know, they should have diamond plated the floor.
There you go. The other thing is, I want air intake and exhaust stickers. We need to do some branded stickers. You know, I think that's a real nice touch. And then the last thing that I would say is looking at the termination. I don't know if you see this, but you know, maybe I'm going to give away my age here. But go back in the day. I won't give the year. But when you're looking at that external termination, there's those 4 pipes that are running. It looks like those hot rods that they used to put those pipes on the side of the car. I give them style points for that, you know, because of that look. I really like it.
Absolutely. I know exactly what you're talking about. I'm actually going to probably show a photo of one of those hot rods there, and maybe I'll Photoshop the exhausts to be not chrome as they typically are, but to be our polypropylene gray, beautiful. The hexadecimal color is, of course, 787878 for all of our designers out there. That's the gray code. It is really nice. That termination is really neat and tidy. I like. So obviously this is 4 individually exhausted HTPs, and it's just sort of an up and out, but with nice window clearance, so that exhaust is very far away from many of those windows, snorkeled upwards, and I mean supported properly in every way. It's clearly a methodical, nice, well-measured, sort of accurate. You know, you can just tell these guys know what they're doing, which is this is why we do this, is to highlight professionalism like this. So congratulations to Aalanco. Go ahead.
Yes, congratulations to Aalanco. I even have a tie-in to our next to our guest when it comes to one of the things that you said, the window clearance that has to do with code.
Absolutely.
And there is some interesting and exciting things going on in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and that our guest is going to be talking a little bit about that. So that's a good way to tie your comment to our next guest.
Absolutely, and we will be right back with Peter DeFreitas of IAPMO to discuss window clearance and all that other stuff. So we'll be right back.
Stay tuned.